Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY party popper. Let's get right to it. The materials you need for this party popper is a toilet roll, a balloon, some scissors, some decorative tape, and some normal tape. Let's get started. The first step for this party popper is to cut your balloon. So just like this. Throw that other side away. So now get your balloon and then put it so your knot goes like this, just like that. Now get your normal tape and then place it on like so. Do that same thing all around your toilet paper roll. After you've done that, now you can get your decorative tape and then start to tape it around your toilet paper roll. So after you have wrapped around with your colored tape, you can add a different colored tape or you can use the same tape and repeat that process. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed making that amazing party popper and you can use this for any occasion. And if you liked this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!